way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every
Welcome to the new vlog.
time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side.
What is up, boys and girls? So Saturday was a great fun day, and now it's Sunday. So we're working on Sunday because we have to go and shoot for Kunal in Andheri. So shooting with Kunal is never really a work day. Never feels like a work day. It's always a intellectual, conversational day where we get to learn things, where we get to explore new things, and of course, as Shlok is एक्टिंग क्या बोल रहा है?
बहुत सीखने मिलता है भाई.
क्या बोल रहा है? बहुत खाने मिलता है.
बहुत सीखने मिलता है और मटन के बारे में ज़्यादा सीखने मिलता है.
हाँ, मटन के बारे में. So Kunal has made everyone a mutton lover now, and yeah, so we are going to his office as of now. Then I'm 100% sure Kunal will tell us that let's go for a coffee first, because breakfast नहीं खाया सबने. मैंने तो खाया, इसलिए हम आधा घंटा लेट है. I never step out of the house without having my breakfast. So yes, so that is the plan of action for the day. So yes, we'll see you guys in the breakfast place.
Left, right.
All good, sir.
अरे वो राइडर अंदर बैठा है क्या?
हाँ
नाश्ता करते हैं ना पहले.
हाँ चलो. So at the point you are at your life now, what were 3 things that you did in your 20s that has built a foundation for you for your position you are at right now? Because 20s is the time, I think, where most boys or most people fuck up.
Okay, I think one, it's completely okay to fuck up. If you're learning something from it, go fuck up how many other times you want to. Try that new thing, ask that new girl out, do whatever it is that you want to do. Just don't be scared to try something new because you don't feel that it's something you've ever done before. Keep trying new things. And the other thing would be, don't be scared, be patient, and don't expect results to come in immediately. It's going to take time, and it's completely okay. Do not succumb to peer pressure. If activities such as clubbing, drinking, or even for others it might be gaming or being very socially active, are not things that you stand for as a person or you innately do not like after you've tried it, it's okay to not want to do it. There's nothing wrong in being by yourself. I think you have to be your best company, and if you get to that place sooner, it helps with many other things. Because I think as a business owner, most nights are lonely. If I would have not enjoyed my own company today, can you imagine how fucked I would have been in my own head? And then it would have just shown everywhere, in work, in my relationships. So obviously there was a time when things were like that, but now I come from a point of awareness that it's okay to be like this and enjoy your own company. So it's fun now. Everything's like a game. Enjoy the process, most importantly. Don't be like, okay, ये मैं करूँगा फिर I will enjoy. Learn to enjoy now. And then once you get to the other side, you realize the actual enjoyment was the process, not the end result.
What's up, guys? So it's a new day. We're going to Bandra yet again to shoot for an interesting climb named Dot Badges. So more about Dot Badges and the founder when we go to their office, when we reach their office. So yeah, I'll see you guys in an hour. आपको नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा, but we'll reach in an hour and I'll see you guys at the Dot Badges office. Hi guys, so we have Angad with us, who's the founder of Dot Badges. So Angad, please tell us what is your brand and what do you all do?
Dot Badges is a 10-year-old brand which we are an e-commerce and D2C store wherein basically we manufacture button badges which are used for promotional purposes, for weddings, baby showers, for college events. Basically our product just brings back a lot of nostalgia of the 90s, and it's something which people wear so that they can express themselves they show support without having to speak any words.
Now that you are full time into the product industry, but I am working in the service industry. So do you think product industry is more convenient and better compared to the service industry? Because I feel service industry is decluttered.
So Simar, each of them has their own pros and cons. When it comes to a product industry, your investments are quite a lot. When you look at machinery, when you look at stock, inventory, employees, so you have a lot of investments over there. When it comes to services, mostly 9 out of 10 times you have only employees and simple things like machines like computers, printers. That's the basic requirement what you need. When it comes to service, even though it's much more easier from an employee point of view, or you have the ease of work from home, if you are in the video editing industry or in the graphic design industry, you get a lot of back and forth of revisions and changes, which after a point gets a little monotonous. So I prefer being at the back end, and so hence I chose product. But for somebody like you who's outspoken, I think so service is much better.
Yeah.
Welcome to Sim's vlog.
Hi. हमारे गार्ड में क्या है?
Goodbye. ये सब मत रिकॉर्ड कर.
ट्रेसेंट, फिर वो एक और नया वो खुला है.
ट्रेसेंट तो बहुत
शिट है भाई. ट्रेसेंट एक्चुअली बोलो तो मेरे को तो शिट लगा.
ब्रो.
इट्स शिट. आई डिडंट लाइक इट. चल रोलिंग.
Seduce करो.
What's up guys? Welcome to the new vlog. Today is a Saturday afternoon. Time's up.
कैसे शूट कर रहा है? इसने फ्रेम देखा भी है क्या?
देख रहे, मेरे को दिख रहा है.
अच्छा दिख रहा है ना वो. अबे
तो भाई एक्सपीरियंस हो गया भाई शूटर.
जंगली है.
Times have changed from Saturday nights to Saturday afternoon lunch. So
Friday night heavy हो गई.
That was
उतारी चल रही है.
That was not us. हमारा काम भारी होता है.
भाई आगे भी देख ले.
इसकी लाइफ भारी होती है.
हाँ भाई आगे देख.
So I was saying, we have a new member in the gang today.
New member.
New member in the family. अरे रोहित, introduce yourself.
बोलना hi, my name is Rohit.
I'm 6 feet tall.
क्या बोले? I am a 6
ये
feet
सब
tall.
actually मेरे को नहीं पसंद है. ये सब नहीं करना.
दुआ, you wanted to introduce Rohit?
सोच तो रहा था बट अभी छोड़, अभी थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ.
ये सब नहीं ब्रो. मेरे को मत ले व्लॉग में.
तू भाई आ चुका है.
आ चुका है क्या?
बिना बोला वीरो ले तेरा. But Kanak, tell us where we are going.
We're going to the Nike factory outlet. I don't know what we're going
बाल
for.
क्यों बना रहा है?
Socks लेने जा रहे हैं.
बाल क्यों बना रहा है?
Everyone of us.
भाई अच्छा दिखना मांगता हूँ मैं कैमरा के लिए ब्रो. कैमरा कॉन्शियस ब्रो.
Everyone of us wanted to buy socks. तो निकल रहे हैं Saturday afternoon को Nike factory outlet. And we'll also go to a cafe. जो दुआ को ही पता है, mastermind कुछ तो बोल रहा था.
Mastermind bicycle
ये
bicycle
mastermind है.
But we're not sure कि whether we'll go there or we might change the plans bro.
हाँ, because नाम cool नहीं है ना.
नाम cool नहीं है.
नाम बिल्कुल cool नहीं है. लोकेशन
Kanak only goes to cool places.
अरे भाई, by the way, we forgot to.
मैंने अपना हाथ रख दिया.
पहले इस पे हाथ रखो. We also have our dear friend Maitreya with us.
Maitreya's debut. Maitreya hi. अरे मुंह से हाय तो बोल भाई.
ये कौन सा
भाई
है?
तो ब्रो व्लॉगिंग सब थोड़ी ना कर सकते
भाई
हैं.
ये तो क्या है भाई? ये तो
अरे
बस
I think he's camera shy.
Yo, she only dance to reggae and calypso. She want got man in her title. She only dance to reggae and calypso. City killers make rap to spite me. She only dance to reggae and calypso. Got bare bomb bang for a rival. HK, I'm claiming that title. They hear what's it.
Hey guys, what's up? Trimaki.
रोलिंग है.
Hey guys, मैं पान थूक रहा हूँ. कोई पैसेंजर पान थूक रहे हैं. हमें ओसीडी का दिख गया, उसको रिकॉर्ड कर लिया हमने.
तो क्या हुआ ब्रो? डर जाएगा.
डरना क्यों?
ब्रश करने बोलो क्या उसको भी.
चल भाई. Caught on 4K. क्या सीधा कर रहे हैं ना.
ये तो डाल देना भाई,
ये तो डाल ही
एडिटर भाई डाल देना.
कितना टाइम हो गया
भाई रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस
बस हो गया. अभी बोल दे भाई. गाइस वो लास्ट व्लॉग में आपने देखा,
लास्ट व्लॉग में जो आप लोग ने देखा था ना वो सब फेक था ब्रो. एक्चुअल में कोई रिलेशनशिप में है भी नहीं भाई यहाँ पे.
ये भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है.
गाइस एंड स्पेशली गर्ल्स, ब्रो हमारा सिंगल है.
हाँ सिंगल. ये
एडिटर मेक श्योर दिस गेट्स टू द वीडियो ब्रो प्लीज.
उसको मालूम है भाई जॉब ज्यादा पे.
भाई कितना पैसा देता है? 1 महीने का तो कवर कर ही लूंगा मैं भाई. मेरे को
1 महीने से क्या कर.
So boys are shifted to a new table. Boys are shifted to a new table because भूख इतनी लगी थी, खाना इतना मंगा लिया और हमारे टेबल में फिट ही नहीं हो रहा था. Now we are at the grand center. Mastermind है भाई ये तो.
सबको दे दो एक सांभर और